Hey everybody, it's Michael Lowenstein from Ross Michael Salon, and today we're going to be doing a global retouch for the PRAVANA blonding cream. But this new blonding cream is something special. And not just that, we're also going to be using the platinum toners. We have 3 platinum toners, and these are game changers, guys, and we can't wait to show you our technique.
Model came to us with previously lightened ends and 1 inch of level 7 grow out. In a front quadrant, take a 1/8 inch fine horizontal slice and apply the lightener from the root to the line of demarcation. Continue working on the front quadrants, then repeat on the back quadrants. Process until she reaches a level 10. Rinse with cool water. Shampoo with PRAVANA's Intense Therapy shampoo. Then we use PRAVANA's Silk Degrees Prep and Treat to provide even color deposit and long-lasting color. Towel dry to remove excess water. Next, we'll tone using 2 different fully customized PRAVANA Platinum toners, which are Lilac at 50% and Smoke at 50%. Starting out the root gives a deeper result, which kind of gives a shadow root effect, and it's really great for color longevity. Processed at least 5 minutes or until desired results are achieved. Rinse again with PRAVANA's Silk Degrees Prep and Treat. Want to see how it all looks? Check this out.
Hey, as always, guys, thanks for showing up and watching what we have to offer today. Once again, the new blonding cream, awesome product. Rinses so nice. The new platinum toners. I hope you enjoyed seeing how we use some of those. And as always, give us a follow if you want to at Ross Michael Salon, and Pravana.com is always available for any questions that you may have. Thanks again. Have a great day.